video because they're likely gonna run away. This bird has been out here refusing offerings and eating ants. And there was that bush turkey you saw before. There's the mother. This one's a baby. Hello. Carefully monitoring the cleaning of the car. Is it gonna poo on the car? Who knows? There's a billion things out here for them. Watermelon, got peach and nectarine, I'm not sure. Got apple, we got shiny. Can't even see it in the camera. And they don't care, they just keep on singing for us.